Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing so well. As you can see, I am doing fine. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, wherever you are watching me from. In today's video, we are coming to learn something about life, about growth. Let's learn about things that affect life negatively or some enemies of growth. We are coming to see things that affect us when we are growing in life. Things that affect them, maybe a business, schooling, anything that affects our growth. That is what we are coming to look at today. Say ye ko enkanya enyeme bi a etisi akwan a emma ekan kono endimu ana enne minyaya yebehwe niema ba ku mienu miensa bi a affect growth as an individual or as a society. Now first ade a affect growth fear ehum yenhwe say ye wa kwala foforo kora na say on owia ana say onante a mo say initially ya na osuro say obeden obenante ana say obawia nanso say oyire ne ho ebo ne ho moden na otokoso a just one day we want to call na start area and as a call na start enante. That means we are overcoming fear. Sana brabo metie se wo kon kan wo school mu bibi biemu se bibi yemfa say examination bi eba na fear asate grepel se abrabo mu eniema epese ekon kan ma na edum pempensuo bi a fear will start gripping you. Hey, na die kra metumi ayeni. Hey, na die kra be yeni. Odide ni sa se wan hweye na wan ma ho anko kan hu say this is what you want to do and this is what you will do. Na wan pan koso a na wan serewra de pa ba obo se ehun na overcome na adekono na abre enyi na wunyi no na abre na se. Eniema ben na affect your growth. And I can fear ehun aso ediebe na wo ya wa ma ehun entino adekono wetwa so ana wo jaiye wo se ebia utokoso a enka obetumi akọwanim ebi kura na eya brabo ma de wo se nka utokoso na wo ye na etumi buawo enso wo ma ehun efa wo nomum entino adekono eseye ana eto try. You have killed that dream. Sorry, you've accepted say e was say ehun grepel na ekum sa eniswadi hu no afi accusations enyeme bia o koso no na asate manifesting negative nyeme bia ebe kan wadwen a ebe accuse wadwen okrade a wo ye oka se efe enye fe bia ade a wo ye nkofo pressrew ade a wo ye wo so jai obi a senye wo de a wonti wachi asem me na meka akire nua masa honhom ne kwan. Spirit of accusation send a spirit of fear tie no sa na spirit of accusation so tie ebe accuse you in so many ways. Wo se why you say okra enyo na okra ko wi abode wa ha no enyo na okra ko wi awe wa ha no e de na kire say wo ye kra nkofo behu no maserew eniema a start any wa adwen ekun na wa bem a start ebu. Spirit of accusation destroys growth. It is a wo ye bibi wa brabom na say accusations ba here and there tokoso na ye if say one ye careful ebe bre wase ebe bre wani swadi hu ase. We ya class one kro na onimu hwe we onimu hwe we obe felicity a we say ya say one ye careful na one show ho den na wa ma ho tokoso honhom na wa hu se eya brabo enuntino. It takes time to fulfill your dreams. Now the spirit of fear and then accusation grip you, it breaks you down and it destroys your dream. And now sometimes no, you have bad intelligence. And committee are saying you can say intelligence just adinim. And so adinim ni bi wo hwa ne mrema ye we ye was spirits ni bi wo hwa say unyi wa brabum. Na say that spirit of intelligence never. Na say one ye careful a obe feel say enumom na ebua wo enso be wi akire no na enumom egu wo dream na obe say wo accomplish no enti eniama ye nyi a eni ye kasa no e wo say ye very careful na ye very attentive na ye hu say sa intelligence messages ya ebe eye de ebeboa yen ana say eye de ebekum ye dwuma. Sometimes ye koso abrabo mu a sa spirits ne ba ye hu baby to say spirits of intelligence e be defo e be ye say de e ba be ye yie. One, you're careful, it will kill your dream. We have to be very careful about these spirits. Send you beya. You know, pass now you're taking now, you person you know, and I say you person you're accomplishing you maybe no. Those spirits will not kill our dreams. Again, we have that spirit of mockery. So spirits of fear ni na anye ye. Spirit of intelligence ni na anye ye. Spirit of accusation ni na anye ye. Then the spirit of mockery will set in. Things that you are doing now will grow no. Afe obe hu se nkofo starting mock you. Oh wait, what you say? Oh wait, cry what you say? Let them mock you. After all, they could not mock you wo ho no. You are not the first person out there buy it. Let them say whatever they want to say. Just stay focused and be on point. Fam, one day you will tell your story. The same people, no medium intelligence, be too. The same people are accuse you. The same people they are putting fear in you. No, they are the same people to sing that victory song. So don't let anything whatsoever, don't let anything intimidate you in your journey of growth or in your journey of success. Say your school na ukwa shesuna kona koni ye. Say your jume bi na uya shesuna ye ni ye onia. Edi mfasodie bebreo. Edi enijie bebreo. Edi ahusepe bebreo. Menka say eye easy. When all the spirits are coming through, fam, it is never easy, guys. It is never going to be easy, but just stay focused. Just stay focused with prayer and supplication. You will overcome one day. It will never be too late. It will never be too long. At the end of the year, say, what pahun? At the end of the year, say, are you too late amount? Nothing is too late under this universe. Nothing is too late under the sun. Nothing is too late in life. Success awaits everybody who can overcome this spirits that will come through in the journey of growth. These negative things that will come to pass in the journey of growth. When you are able to overcome them, victory will be yours. And it's a spirit of conspiracy. Omo ya wa the fear ni ba wan fi omo de can say mockery ni ba wan fi omo de bibia ba na wan fi after the spirit of conspiracy was set in. Wa buafo a eba through your journey of growth. You be start ya bre o mase. Hono now do sabe good to say we there be nothing is too late in life. And those spirits will conspire with them to bring you down. But it is up to you to make your mind. Whether they conspire against you, whether whatever they will do, set up your mind and know the goal you are going for. And you will one day be their hero. This is my encouragement that I want to bring to you today. Please, anything you are doing in life, don't let these things bring you down. They are the same things that will celebrate you at the end of the day. The people who would want to bring you down, the people who would want to conspire against you, the people who will be mocking you, the people who will bring fear, they are the same people who will celebrate you one day when you succeed. The negativities that destroys growth, the enemies that destroy success. This is what I want to bring to your table this morning. Don't be discouraged about those things. Don't panic when you see them or when you hear them. Just stand firm in the Lord. Let Jesus be your guide. And then victory will be yours forever. Have you subscribed to my channel? Have you subscribed to Insurabaginia's channel? Please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed listening to me. And share this video, fam. Share the video for people to know about Insurabagina. Please share my video, okay? And then comment. Just comment. Let the comment section work. When you love this video, just tell me something. Whether good or bad, just say it. With all ears, I'll be listening. And I'll be reading your comments too. Okay? God bless you all. Have a fruitful day. Till we meet in our next video. Bye-bye.